it is a period of Republic Day celebrations, and Republic Day celebration is there a day after. And Delhi police since decades have maintained a robust fail-proof security arrangement for that, and we are doing that. And in this situation, the farmers, the Sanयुkt Kisan Morcha and the other groups, they had asked for having a tractor rally on 26 January itself. And from various quarters we were getting inputs also, information also, requests also. So finding this circumstances, Delhi police moved ahead, and we started dialogue with the representatives and of this farmers group, and we had rounds and rounds of discussion, and we have come to a conclusion that yes, we will maintain the Republic Day celebration security arrangements and its ramifications up to whatever area and the portion in Delhi and the NCR it has, and at the same time respecting and in due honor of the desire of this farmers group. So we had a discussion and we identified wherever they are sitting, such that from there the barricades are there, barricades will be opened, they will enter Delhi few kilometers, and then after that right and left they will turn, and we have given them 63, 62 and 46 kilometers of the stretch in circulation, which in total in Delhi it amounts to more than 100 kilometers. And also the most important is to provide adequate, robust security to this tractor rally as well. So that also has been planned, and we maintained a very good communication with the Sanयुkt Kisan Morcha and other groups. And now we have finally decided, in principle we have agreed that yes, we will have tractor rally also on that day, maintaining the sanctity and maintaining the Republic Day celebration security arrangements. And for the security arrangement of the tractor rally as well, the required police deployment of so many, whatever the professional requirement is, so that we will be providing, realizing that there are elements of threat to disturb, to create disturbance in this tractor rally as well, and we have maintained a very good communication with the organizers. And so we are now confident that we will have a very, very successful and with great amount of respect towards each other. We will have this tractor rally as well, and there will be no disturbance on the ongoing Republic Day celebration and in the security arrangements of Republic Day.